Happy New Year, Sephora Land! It's Jeffrey here, your beauty director, and I have a quick question. I'm just curious how your resolutions are coming along. That's right, I know a lot of you guys out there have some New Year's skincare resolutions, and this video is all about how to achieve them successfully. We'll be going resolution by resolution, offering products that will definitely help you to get there and to bring about amazing change in your skin. So if you're out there curious about how to start your skincare year off right, then this video's for you. Okay, so first things first, I know a lot of you out there need to wash your face every day, right? So some of you have made that your resolution, and I think that's the perfect way to start the year, with a clean slate. Now for that, I recommend Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. We've talked about this product a lot on this channel because it's a tried and true and a must-have. It's infused with rich amino acids that are gonna really help with skin's firmness and elasticity. It's also really great for removing stubborn eye makeup and nourishing and conditioning those lashes and brows. So this is a really great cleanser to try out. So a great way to get yourself to use sunscreen every day is to almost trick yourself into using it with fun and innovative textures, a lot like this new one from Supergoop. This is the SUPERSCREEN Daily Moisturizer SPF 40 PA+++. This one's also really great because it's a 2-in-1. It's essentially your SPF and your moisturizer. So that's gonna encourage you to use it every day. Now, it's really important for you to use it every day, even when you know that you're not going to go out into the sun for long exposure, because even intermittent sunlight can cause a lot of damage and increase the signs of aging. Now, what I love about it is that it's a really innovative sort of bouncy texture. If you can see, it's like a sort of like a jelly feel. So it's super lightweight and quick absorbing in the skin. So it's really great for those of you that feel like SPF can be heavy or kind of weigh the skin down. This is definitely very light and airy, and it leaves the skin what feels like it's going to be prepped very nicely for makeup. So I would strongly suggest trying this one out. So next up, we have a product for a targeted area, or an area that not a lot of people often think about, and that's the eye area. I know a lot of you out there love using a moisturizer full face, but it's really important for you to incorporate an eye cream a lot like this one from Drunk Elephant. This is the C-TANCO Multivitamin Eye Cream, and this is going to be really great for firming and brightening. Now, it's packed with a lot of vitamin C, which is going to brighten and lighten and tighten in the eye area, essentially giving you a smooth canvas, and it's almost like a glass of orange juice in the morning for your under eye. It's going to kind of wake it up and make you look refreshed and rested. So next up is another really great deep cleaning resolution. This is all about exfoliation. Now, we often get asked, how frequently should I be exfoliating? It's important to do it at least once a week. So make that your resolution, to do it at least once a week. Now, it's easy to do daily with the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Peel Pads. This is in the extra strength formula. Now, this is a cocktail of soft acids that are going to work together to exfoliate and minimize texture and the look of fine lines on the skin. This is also really going to leave behind a lot of great trace ingredients behind that encourage anti-aging results. So this guy is really easy to use. Honestly, you can make no excuses for this one. It's just a quick little pad. All you have to do is swipe it over the face, finish with step 1, and leave that on for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then follow with step 2, swipe that all over, and you're completely done. Instantly retexturize glowing skin. So next up, we have a weekly option. So if you can't get it every day, at least you can get it in once a week. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is the TLC SUKARI Baby Facial. So this is a really amazing treatment that only takes about 20 minutes to do. It's packed with AHAs and BHAs that are really great for exfoliating and removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It also leaves behind a lot of hydration, which is really, really nice. So you're not gonna strip the skin or leave it dry and tight. This is really awesome too if you're gonna be going to a party or you wanna prep the skin for a makeup application. So this last resolution is actually mine, and that's to take care of the skin from the inside out, both from a wellness standpoint and from some nutrition. I've been loving the SUPERYOU Daily Stress Management from Moon Juice. So this is packed with a lot of amazing good-for-you ingredients like amla, rhodiola. You've got ashwagandha and shatavari mushrooms in there, which actually lower cortisol levels in the body, relieving the body of stress and kind of giving you a chill vibe throughout the day. It's super easy to use. It's 2 pills in the morning. That's all I have to do, and I can take it with or without food. I've been using this now for about 3 months, and it's literally changed my life. I feel like my skin is clearer, my hair and nails are growing coming back much stronger and sturdier, and I feel just overall a calm sense of Om. I really feel like it helps me to breathe deeper and to appreciate life and all of the colors that I'm seeing a little bit more. So thank you so much for introducing this product into my life, Moon Juice. Like, truly, it has seriously changed my life. So there you have it. Hopefully this inspired you to try some new products this year and get going on those New Year's resolutions. Now, if you have any other New Year's resolutions for skincare, shout those out. Maybe there's one that we didn't cover that I can offer you some suggestions for. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is the time to do it. You can make that your resolution. Just press the button and hang out with us here on the Sephora YouTube channel. So until next time, we'll see you later. Ciao for now.